How to fix GIF not working on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix GIFs not working on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open App Store or Play Store. Search for Instagram app and make sure you are using the latest version, as outdated apps often cause bugs like this. Next, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection, and you need to try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. If GIFs still aren't working, open Instagram. Now go to profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to three bar icon at top right. Once you land on the setting and activity page, you need to simply switch to a professional account. So after that, your GIFs not working on Instagram will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.